We got my man Josh hooked up with a Fridge 60 here, built by TMG Pits in Knoxville. Guys, Fridge is one of our best-selling, larger backyard pits here, and for good reason. So let's check Josh's pit out here. Now the Fridge 60, Fridge is our cabinet door model. So you got cabinet doors, easy to open. Got the cool handle, goes up and down. Y'all check out the inner workings on that. Everybody loves that sound. Now on all of our fridges, you got 3 sliding trays. Now this is a reverse flow model, so you got 3 plates in the bottom that are removable. That directs the heat all the way across the bottom and then back out of the stack. Makes for a little bit more even cook temperatures in there. A little easier on your fire management as well. Now Josh did do several upgrades on this. As you see, it is on our off-road package. Upgraded wheels and tires, of course. We did them with a stainless steel front shelf. That's probably our #1 upgrade there, guys. Still get your paper towel utensil holder. Stainless steel logo on the side. Now on the Fridge 60, you get an extra large hot box. So over 2,000 square inches just in the hot box, guys. This whole pit has more capacity than a 500-gallon tank smoker. All right. Now, the great thing about the hot box is it runs independent from the tank, from the smoker itself. So it's just very versatile. On the firebox, this is our standard firebox, non-insulated fire management cradle. You got your ash clean out on the bottom, D-ring tie downs on all 4 corners. He did get a shelf on the back as well. And he got one more stainless steel logo up here on the front. So guys, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.